Hi, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. We are so overwhelmed with technology and our busy schedules that we tend to forget that our home needs to be our resort, our safe space, uh, relaxation. Definitely the best place you ever want to be. And focusing on some of the systems in your home can also help you save with time and money and a lot of frustration. So that is our goal here. I hope you join us. We do have some quick weekday recipe ideas and prep. We have the organizational tools, also where to get a lot of this stuff. And note too that I'm going to tell you the stuff that doesn't work. I'm not going to tell you everything works. Tried a lot of stuff out and not everything works. So I want to save you some of the stress of that. I'm a professional organizer and I do local projects in my hometown. And I will show you some before and afters and give you some thoughts of why I did what I did with some of these areas. We could also bring the crazy family into this. They're definitely entertaining. In the blink of an eye, they've all grown up. Welcome home. And I hope you have a great day. Please set notifications. I will be uploading one video a week, but I am going to throw some other stuff in there and on shorts. And visit us at our website at theorderedhome.com. There's a lot more information there and a blog as well. So I look forward to seeing you again. Have a great day.